Alright guys, so yeah, apologies. So what happened is, so after I chased those people out, they were standing around, they talking to the other guys in their language, so I didn't understand what I say. There's some words that I could understand, waiting for me to walk, and then they'll come back in. Apparently they left something here, I don't know what. But I try to look now if I can see something. So I let the rangers know that apparently they're on their way. So I'm busy going back to my vehicle. So I just walked in such a manner that they don't see me walking. They think I'm still around. So I'm waiting for the rangers to come, and then we can see. Then I need to sit there and see, because those guys, they want to burn this place down or something. I don't know what the plan is. What did the idea that they want? So I'm just slowly walking back to my vehicle. I'm walking between the trees so that they don't see me. They think I'm still sitting there close to them because they saw me sit. And then I was sitting behind the trees. You can't really see me when I'm behind the trees. So as they turned their backs, I started to climb down the little cliff there. And then I walked inside the stream of water, so they didn't see me leave. So I only came out now close to my vehicle, which is standing there. Oh, I'm disorientated. Huh? Where's my car? Okay, somewhere there. So I'm walking slowly there, because they keep an eye on my car. My car is right up the hill, so they can definitely see my car. So I surprised them when I went down this morning. They keep an eye on my car, but they didn't know I was close to them, watching them. So yeah, I spoke to them. I told them to stay out of the park. They will get prosecuted. They will get arrested if they're trespassing again. Very apologetic. Sorry the whole time, but I keep on doing. I don't know how many times that they say sorry, but they keep on doing it. So yeah, I'm moving back to my vehicle. I'll just keep the drone up there for a bit so that they know the place get checked, because I need to go to the other side as well now. So yeah, I'm getting close to my vehicle, and then I need to search myself for ticks. Yeah, you see, I don't know if it's the weather or what, because there's a lot of them. Even spiders. I just found a spider walking on me. I felt the webbing the whole time in my face, and I keep on rubbing the webbing away, and it keeps on coming back. And as I rubbed just next to my speaker here, I found it walking. So it's ugly bugger, a green monster, looks greenish, fat body. I don't know what it is, some kind of plant spider or what. As I smooshed it, started to burn there. So just here, started to burn where the juices fall. So I just wanted to wash that off now. That's why I left there at the bottom. So I was down there, that little mountain there. That's where the people are giving us problems. So I'm here at my vehicle now. So now you can see my vehicle. If you turn your phone around, you look, see a little bit disorientated. So I'm just here. Most probably they'll see me now. Just say how. They thought I was still here. Now they see me here. Okay. So I'm just gonna put my bag down, waiting for those guys to come. And then yes. Oh, cold, very hot. So just get something to drink. And then yes, I'll fly my drone again. Here's another spider going in my car. Yeah, all over this green stuff. Sharp joints, see you later.